So you're looking for a way to skyrocket your YouTube views, get more engagement on your videos, or massively increase the amount of leads that your video is sending to your website. It might look easy. You spend hours and hours doing what you love, crafting that perfect video that will change people's lives, or spread your unique message out to the world. You upload it to YouTube for the world to see, and you just wait, right? Well, unfortunately, 99% of the time, nothing really happens, and no one is actually watching your video. More than 100 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. If you don't use the right techniques to optimize the way your video shows up in YouTube's search engine, your target audience can never even find it. And it ends up just like the billions of other videos in YouTube's graveyard. Never to be seen, never to be used to their full potential. So how do you stand out from the crowd and be exactly in those places where your target audience can find you without any effort? Introducing Easy Video SEO. Easy Video SEO is a free online course that makes you an expert in making your videos findable by targeting the right keywords that will enable you to rank effortlessly, optimizing your videos for those keywords, and promoting your videos to get maximum exposure and long-term traffic trickling in your website. This is not rocket science. This is a method to leverage YouTube's built-in algorithms to serve your video to those people that can really benefit from it. For example, one of the secrets is to upload multiple videos targeting lots of long-tail keywords. The video you're watching right now is just one of many. The beauty is, the number of views on this specific one might seem low, but the total view count of the entire group of videos is running into the millions. So, do you want to build your own video empire? Easy Video SEO shows you exactly how to do just that. Learn all the secrets YouTube superstars are using every day. It's free. Visit easyvideoseo.com and get started right away.